Hello, welcome to another English lesson. My name is Michael with ACE English School Japan, located in Takasaki, Guma. Okay, so today's lesson is going to be used to, used to do, or be used to doing. Okay, so used to equals before in the past, but not now. Okay, used to do, used to be, and used to have. Okay? Then be used to doing equals be accustomed to. Be accustomed to. Which equals something is difficult at first, but becomes easier in time, or becomes easier with time, or becomes easier over time. What this means, so you can use in time, with time, or over time. And be careful with overtime. This is not talking about work overtime. It's two words, over time. That means gradually. All of these in time, with time, over time, gradually. One month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years, it becomes easier. Okay? Okay, so let's go over some examples of these two. Okay, they look very similar, but the meaning is different and the grammar structure is a little bit different. Okay, so let's do some examples. Okay. Okay, let's say, I used to live alone. Okay. I used to have long hair. I used to have long hair. Okay. I used to go out more. There used to be a mall downtown. Okay. Okay, so this is used to. Okay, used to means before in the past, but not now. Okay. I used to live alone. I used to have long hair when I was in high school. I used to go out more, so that means I don't go out so often, but before I used to go out more. There used to be a mall downtown. There used to be a mall downtown. Okay? Okay. Now you practice. Good. 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 Okay. And let's practice a little bit more. Okay. I used to have a car. I used to be in the Navy. I used to be a teacher. Okay, so these are some more examples. I used to have a car. I used to be in the Navy. I used to be a teacher. I used to ride a bicycle. To work. Okay? I used to ride a bicycle to work. Okay. You practice these. Okay? I used to have a car. Good. I used to be in the Navy. Good. I used to be a teacher. Good. I used to ride a bicycle to work. Okay? Okay. And we also use I used to not like, so for example, fish. I used to not like fish. I used to not like fish. Okay, that means I like it now. I used to not like to get up early in the morning. Okay, early. Okay, I used to not like fish. I used to not like to get up early. Okay, you try it. Good, very good. Okay, now let's go over some be used to. So let me teach something real quick. I used to live alone. I am used to living alone. Okay, I used to live alone. This one is here. Before I lived alone, but now I don't. I am used to living alone. That means I've been doing it for a long time and it's nothing special, nothing new to me. So I'm used to it. Okay, so a little bit different on the grammar. Be used to. So I am, I was, then used to, then plus ing, living alone. Okay, so you practice. I used to live alone. Good. I am used to living alone. Good. Okay. I am used to driving on the left, right. Okay. I am used to living in Japan. She isn't used to living alone. Okay. I am used to driving on the left, or I am used to driving on the right, depending on which side. Okay? Okay. Let's practice. Very good. I am used to living in Japan. I am used to living in Japan. That means I've been doing it for a long time. It's not new. Okay, you try. Very good. She isn't used to driving alone. She isn't used to living alone. Okay, she isn't used to living alone. That means she's still not used to it. So it's new for her. It's a little bit difficult. She's not used to it yet. Okay, you try. Good, very good. Okay, let's go over some more examples. He isn't used to his new job yet. Yet means soon he will be. Soon he will be, but not yet. Okay? He isn't used to his new job. I'm not used to getting up so early. I hope to get used to my new job. Okay. Okay. He isn't used to his new job yet. He isn't used to his new job yet. Okay, you practice. Okay. I'm not used to getting up so early. I'm not used to getting up so early. Good. I hope to get used to my new job. I hope to get used to my new job. Okay, very good, good. Okay. And sometimes we just use it as a phrase. So for example, if somebody asks you, how do you like, oh, my hands and brain don't work together. How do you like your new job? Okay, how do you like your new job? It takes some getting used to. Okay. Another thing about used to and be used to, it has ed, but no connection to the past really. This one is to the past, but that's not why it has ed. So you can't just say used to. You need the ed always. Okay? It takes some getting used to. Or I'll get used to it. I will get used to it. Okay? So how do you like your new job? It takes some getting used to. I'll get used to it. Okay? You practice. Good. Very good. Okay. So I hope that helped you. I hope you learned something interesting today and you can understand and use this very well. If you like this video, as always, please hit like, leave a comment, share the video, and if you're not a member already, please subscribe. Okay? Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.